Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to share with you a project I made recently. This is a Ragdoll Llama, and he is crocheted. He has bobbles around his neck and a crocheted blanket of multicolors, and he has even little tassels that he wears from his ears. His face is crocheted in a different yarn than the rest of the body. His body is crocheted in this Bernat Pipsqueak yarn. It's a really fuzzy yarn, and so it gives the llama a fuzzy appearance, and he's very soft. I will say that the Pipsqueak yarn was pretty challenging to crochet with, because with all the fuzziness of the yarn, when you crochet with this yarn, as you go across the rows, you can't see where the stitches are because of all the fuzziness, and so it was hard to keep track of this, or to recount stitches. So I had to make sure I kept track of the number I was on and what row I was on, because otherwise I couldn't. I had a really hard time trying to recount the stitches. I could do it mostly by feel, but that was it, because you can't see the stitches being that the yarn is all fuzzy. But other than that, it was fun to make this llama, and his legs are just straight down, all four in a row. The bobbles and the blanket I made using Lily & Cream cotton yarn, but I think it came out a lot bigger than the bobbles and this blanket. You can see there's extra here. It came out bigger than it should have, and I think it's because the pattern called for a different type of colored yarn to use for the blanket. So be careful when you're selecting your yarn for the blanket. I used this yarn because I already had these colors from previous projects, so I was trying to use yarn up that I already had. The pattern is free and available online, so if you go to our website by following the link in the description of the video, or by clicking the iCard, you can go to our website, needlepointers.com, and from there we will have pictures of the llama, and we will also provide a link to where to find the pattern that I used to create this llama. I'll also let you know that I did enter this guy in the county fair, and he won first prize. So that's exciting. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. If you're on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other crochet projects and tutorials.